Hello everybody, allora, tutta bene ragazzi? My name is Sergey Korilov, I'm a founder and owner of Europe Construction and Eurocasa.co. And today in our showroom we have Andrea Sorgente who represent Composite Kitchens, and we're gonna listen what these kitchens are different, why they're different, and what's make them different. So Andrea, welcome to San Diego, welcome to Europe Construction. So tell us a little bit more about, before we go about kitchens, where you from, which region, and why you're here in San Diego.
Okay, grazie Sergey, thank you. I'm from the northeast of Italy, a small city called Pesaro. It's a small city in the northeast, but it's very well known in our business because it's one of the oldest districts of kitchen cabinets and furniture manufacturing in Italy. We're very close to Rimini, which is a little bit more well-known area near Bologna in the northeast. I work for Composite Kitchens. I've been working with this company for 10 years almost, and I'm visiting San Diego. I was yesterday in LA, so I'm doing Southern California and actually flying to San Francisco Monday to visit our current dealers that sell our products and promote our products in the US and in California in this case. And actually I'm in San Diego because we're looking for new dealers. So the question you asked me, is why our products are different. The company I work for is an old company. It was founded in 1974. Next year, in 2 years, it's going to be 50 years old.
Congratulations.
Thank you. We have always been focusing in the medium high end level. So we are in the US in many luxury houses, especially in Los Angeles, also in San Francisco. We focus on design and quality. Quality because we choose the best materials in the market. All our cabinets are water resistant. All our doors are made of the finest woods and materials. We do ceramic doors, we do wood doors, we do use several materials. And design-wise, we innovate and invest a lot in design. All our collections, whether it's more modern and contemporary or more timeless and classic, are designed by renowned designers, mostly Italian, and they're signed by them. So we have multiple collections with different souls. Okay.
Good.
So that's kind of a little introduction.
So how long you will be in United States this time?
2 weeks actually. We work directly with our dealers, luckily I am the one who's actually coming here and train and update all our dealers. And I come about 10 or 12 weeks in a year. So I arrived 5 days ago, and I'm gonna fly back on Wednesday, just right before Christmas.
So again, we have Andrea, he is expert manager for Composite Kitchens, and stay in tune. We're gonna follow his journey, see how many dealers he will acquire in the United States. And if you're looking for Composite Kitchens in San Diego, you can come in touch with Europe Construction and Eurocasa. And if we don't have a dealer in this territory yet, we will connect you with Composite Kitchens. We'll show you samples and just be your point of contact. I hope this will be long-term relationship. But if it's not, we still will be friends, right?
As always.
I love Pesaro. I've been there. I traveled to Italy many times. Urbina is wonderful area. A little bit of north of Pesaro.
Yeah,
kind of northeast.
Like 20 miles, 15 miles.
Yeah, so Raphael is from that city, right?
You're right. Yeah, the painter.
The painter, the famous artist. Yeah. Thank you again, Andrea. Pleasure to be in touch. And
thank you.
Ciao, ciao, ragazzi.
Ciao.